Carefully take out all the accessories from the carton and arrange them neatly on the table for later use. Using a pointed tool, insert the tip into the notch on cover cap, which is located on the illuminator, and remove all 4 caps one by one. Put the illuminator into the microscope body along with the rounded side, then push it toward the light source direction. To make the EPL illumination pointed flat with the bottom, tighten the 4M5 inner hexagon screws in the illuminator with the spanner. Then cover back the caps in the original position. Completely loosen the 2 lock screws on the light source connector. Push the light source group connector into the light source connector thoroughly. Once the light source assembly is level, tighten the 2 lock screws. Connect the aviation style plug. Rotate the coarse focus knob to lower the stage bracket to its lowest position. Lift the stage face the clutch controller to the right side. The center of the stage bracket softly. Move out the stage slide platform until the screw holes on the fixed platform become visible. Match the screw holes on the fixed platform to the screw holes on the stage bracket, then fix it with screw. Move the stage's position to ensure proper alignment front to back and left to right, and tighten the remaining 2 screws. Using the small flat head screwdriver, loosen the lock screw on the stage. Gently place the glass platform into the groove of the stage. Then tighten the platform lock screw. Loosen the lock screw located beneath the illuminator. Match the dovetail mount on the nosepiece with the dovetail slot on the illuminator and push it to the innermost. Then tighten the lock screw. Rotate the coarse focus knob to lower the stage to its lowest position. Screw the lowest magnification objective lens onto the nosepiece. Rotate the nosepiece clockwise to install the remaining objective lenses in ascending order of magnification from low to high. Completely loosen the locking screw located above the illuminator. Tilt the observation head slightly to the left and insert its mounting post into the circular socket. Keep the two eyepiece tubes forward and then tighten the lock screw. Take down the eyepiece tube cover. Match the position pin on eyepiece to the corresponding position ink slot on the eyepiece tube. Insert the eyepieces until they seat firmly against the stop. Pull the light path selector lever to outermost position. The light will be into the trinocular port for camera use. Push the light path selector lever to innermost. The light will be into the binocular tubes for visual observation. Keep the lever in the innermost for visual observation during the installation and setup process. Before connecting the power cord, ensure that the power switch is set to the sail-off bay position. Insert the plug of the power cord into the microscope's power socket and plug the other end of the cord into a mains power outlet. Make sure the connection is secure. Flip the main power switch located on the right side of the microscope to the T-eye on the leave position. Adjust the dimming wheel to set the brightness to a level that is comfortable for observation. Turning the wheel clockwise increases the number of brightness indicator bar and intensifies the light. Turning it counterclockwise decreases the indicator bar and reduces the brightness. Place the specimen on the stage and rotate the nosepiece to bring the lowest magnification objective lens into the light path. Observing through the eyepiece with your left eye. Turn the coarse focus wheel until the outline of the specimen appears, then turn the fine focus wheel until to sharp focus. Rotate the nosepiece clockwise to sequentially switch to higher magnification objective for observation, using the fine focus wheel to adjust the image focus. If the handle is very heavy when coarse focusing, or the specimen leaves the focus plane after focusing, this can be resolved by adjusting the tension control wheel. The upper limit stop wheel can be set to prevent the objective lens from colliding with the specimen during focusing. Rotate the X and Y axis knobs on the stage. Move the specimen to the center of the field of view. If the specimen is located far from the central area, you may utilize the stage's rapid movement function. To do this, press down on the clutch control lever. This enables rapid movement of the stage in both the X and Y direction. Release the clutch control lever to stop the rapid movement function. With LBD filter, it can adjust the color temperature, making the background more suitable for observation. Insert the LBD filter into the slot. Once you hear a click sound, it instants all correctly. By limiting the diameter of light entering the condenser, the field diaphragm can prevent other light and strengthen the image contrast. When the image is just on the edge of the field of view, the objective can perform best and obtain the clearest image. For bright field observation, make sure the numerical aperture of the illumination system is matched to objective lens. This achieves superior image resolution and contrast, while also increasing the depth of field. In actual use, enlarge the field diaphragm a little to make its image circumscribed to the field of view. The goal is to achieve comfortable observation and contrast image. The simple polarization device include a polarizer and an analyzer. Remove the dust cap on the polarizer slot. Insert the polarizer slide into the slot with its front side facing forward. When heard two sounds of catarrh, the polarizer is moved into the light path. Next, remove the dust cap from the analyzer slot. Insert the analyzer slide into the slot with its front side facing upward. When heard two sounds of catarrh, the analyzer is moved into the light path. When the analyzer is vertically aligned with the tier 0T mark on the scale, the system is in a state of orthogonal polarization. By rotating the analyzer's adjustment ring, you can alter the orientation of the polarized light. The system can be switched between bright field and dark field mode using the slider located directly in front of the illuminator. When the slider is pushed to the far left, the system is set for bright field observation. When the slider is pushed to the far right, the system is set for dark field observation. When performing dark field observation, both the aperture diaphragm and the field diaphragm should be opened to their maximum. In bright field observation, use a 10 times or 20 times objective lens to focus the specimen. Make the image clear. Push the polarizer and the analyzer into the light path to ensure the polarizer and analyzer are orthogonal. Namely, the field of view is the darkest. Loosen the lock screw located at the front of the nosepiece turret, then pull out the dust flashboard. Insert the dike component into the slot with its front face upward, pushing it in until it seats firmly at the bottom. Tighten the lock screw. Rotate the fine adjustment knob to unify the interference color in the field of view. And choose the suitable background interference color to reach the best effect of differential interference image. Namely, the emboss effect is the most obvious. Fine adjustment knob can control the background interference color change from gray to mauve. The dike knob allows for continuous chromatic adjustment of the background interference color, ranging from grayish white to reddish purple.